This summary outlines the technical and strategic considerations for translating code between programming languages as specified in the BTEC Level 3 computing curriculum. Rationale for code translation. Translation is typically driven by the need to modernize legacy systems. Primary reasons include technology lifecycle. Original languages may no longer be supported or lack modern security features, platform compatibility, the need to make programs functional across diverse devices and operating systems, resource availability, a shift towards more popular languages to utilize a team's specific expertise or to make recruitment easier. Key advantages and drawbacks. Advantages: performance optimization. Newer languages often provide superior memory management and execution speeds. Modern functionality. Access to contemporary libraries, tools, and robust security protocols. Scalability. Translation allows a wider reach across devices and provides a larger pool of developer resources. Drawbacks: resource intensity. Significant time and financial costs are associated with translation, testing, and staff training. Technical risks: the potential for new bugs, loss of specific features, or functional discrepancies between the old and new versions. Documentation burden. All technical documentation must be updated to reflect the new codebase. Impact on stakeholders. Users may experience improved security and new features, but must adapt to new interfaces and potential changes in software behavior. Organizations benefit from easier long-term maintenance and recruitment. However, they face risks of service disruption and the high cost of initializing the project. Developers gain opportunities to work with modern tools and enhance their skill sets. Their responsibilities include ensuring translation accuracy, maintaining code quality, and clear documentation. Implementation strategies, alternative approaches. When updating a codebase, organizations can choose from three main strategies. 1. Wrapper approach, encapsulating old code within a new language layer. This is fast and low risk, but does not fully modernize the core logic. 2. Gradual replacement, replacing small modules or components one at a time. This is a safer, phased approach that spreads costs over time. 3. Complete rewrite, rebuilding the software from scratch. While the most time-consuming and expensive, it offers the greatest opportunity for total system improvement. Best practices and real-world application. Successful translation requires a structured lifecycle: planning, assessing needs, choosing the right target language, and setting realistic timelines. Implementation, conducting thorough testing and providing comprehensive training for staff and users. Maintenance, monitoring performance and gathering user feedback post-translation. Example: a common real-world scenario is a bank updating a system from COBOL to Java. While this involves high costs and extensive testing periods, the resulting system benefits from faster processing and better integration with modern security standards.